video. We are going to analyze in this particular video crude oil futures, and we are going to see what are the next levels that crude is going to achieve and how the price is going to behave in next few days. So I do not trade on news or any other reports. So we got a OPEC report today, and there are, I think every week you have a crude reports. So I do not focus much on the reports, but I mostly focus on the price action, whatever is evident on the charts. So let's look at the 15 minutes chart. As you can see here, the price is ongoing. What we are seeing here in the particular case, multiple times crude is going to test this particular support. Crude is testing again and again this particular support, and every time there is a breakdown, you know, anywhere. Today itself it tried to broke three times. You see a heavy buying. Every time you see a heavy buying, the buyers gets activated. You saw here, you saw here, then it broke, then you saw here, and then again now the price is trying to jump. So this particular level, which is 74.8 approximately, is a pretty crucial level. Every time if you see in the volume chart, I do not usually follow volume, but if you see in the volume chart, every time the price comes to this zone, let us clean this up. Every time when the price comes to this zone, there is a strong buying coming in. The buyers are sitting tight at this level. You see the volume here, the buyers tend to get activated. Multiple times it is shown that behavior. So the price action says that this particular level is very crucial. What support we have below this? In case it breaks, this is the support we have. The price tried to take resistance multiple times. Finally, it broke here, and then it retested and then went up almost from here 74 to 76 $2. Now what is going to happen? Let me take you to hourly chart. Look at the rejection candle which it is making on an hourly chart. You see it's a big consolidation zone here, taking support, same way it is taking a strong resistance. You see this big wick, it indicates a strong rejections in this particular area. Now what is evident from this structure that we see buying. If you see last 2 hours candles, there was a breakdown of this level followed by buying coming in with a pretty good volume. Then again there was a rejection with a great volume, but again you see the buying coming in. But if you see volume here, the buyers are subsiding. The buyers are being less active at this particular at this particular time. So if you see here closely, these particular wicks are basically now making a stiff resistance for crude to go up from this level. If you see, this particular level is now becoming a resistance because you have a strong support below. However, multiple hours of resistance is now evident here, and crude is taking resistance now at this particular point. If you can see here, it is strongly taking now resistance here. So this zone has become a pretty narrow zone of 74.80 and somewhere between 20 pips. This region has become a particular rejection zone, and the price behavior in this particular zone is going to actually dictate whatever is going to come in next few days. Most likely it appears that the price will break this zone because now you have a strong resistance formed here at the upper level. If it breaks here, so what we are going to see, approximately this zone as I showed you in the 15-minute chart will be the next support, approximately 74 USD. So the price is likely to come to this level you know, and then take support. If it goes back to this level and takes a resistance here, then it will break this level, this particular level it will break, and then it will go further down. It can go further down till this particular support area. Let me little bit zoom in. This is the support area here. Next support area is somewhere in this particular, it's a wide zone actually. So if I put it here in the perspective, so you are going to see this is a big support zone area. So this is the area of support zone. So once price breaks this is definitely going to be broken in next few hours, or maybe today or maybe tomorrow, 74.80, and price is going to become here at 75 USD. I'm expecting that it will not go again for retest of this level. Why? Because it is already consolidated multiple times here, and we can see the buyers, sellers are actually being more vibrant and dynamic, and they will sell with pressure here at this particular zone. You see a dozy like structure is already being formed in an hourly chart. So they are going to break down this level pretty fast, and price will not go for the retracement and retest, and it will just come down here at this particular level. If you see, approximately this particular zone is now, if you see here, this is, so once it breaks here it will straight away come here. It will come to this zone, and it might come for some couple of days consolidation it can do, because this is a big strong consolidation zone. So now what is evident that crude is bearish in structure, and it is not going to go above 75.1 USD for sure for at least next 3-4 days. This will be the upper resistance now, and price will be in this particular range between 75 USD to 73.3 USD. So this is next few levels, and I would recommend that if you are shorting, look at this level 74.15 or 2, and once you see a rejection candle, some rejection candle being formed here like this, some rejection candle, dozy like structure, or if you have some big rejection candle here like this, some sort of hammer like structure, you can sell at this level for this particular level. So from 1 USD another downside you can get it here. So guys, you can see this dozy is in being formed, and another 20 minutes it will complete. So now for next 2 days crude will trade between 74.8 to 73.2 USD. These are the few levels for crude for next couple of days, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to channel. I'll be posting more such intraday videos of crude as well as positional trade strategies for crude oil. Keep watching the videos and enjoy the video. Have a good time. Thank you very much for putting your valuable time in watching this video. Have a great day, guys. Good night.